No-bake mango cheesecake trifle is a perfect example of a dessert that tastes and looks amazing. This refreshing and creamy dessert is perfect for large holiday crowd. Let's start making the mango puree. I'm going to use 1 piece of mango. Cut it into cubes. Place it in a food processor. Add the water, sugar, puree until smooth. Okay. Transfer it to a bowl. Chill this in the fridge until ready to use. Slice the mangoes. Set it aside. Next step is make the cheesecake. I have whipping cream here, and I'm going to put it in a pan. I'm going to add 1.5 sachet of gelatin powder. Whisk it first until the granules of gelatin is dissolved. Turn on the heat to medium and simmer it for 5 to 7 minutes or until the gelatin is completely melted. When it starts to simmer, continue to whisk to avoid having lumps of gelatin. Okay, my gelatin is completely melted. I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to strain my cream just to make sure there are no lumps of gelatin. Add the cream cheese into the bowl. Sugar. And I'm going to use Kenwood hand mixer. Start on low speed. Now I'm going to increase the speed to medium and beat the cream cheese until creamy and smooth. Okay. I'm going to add the cream and gelatin that we simmered a while ago. Lemon zest. Okay, mix it first before turning on the machine so that the cream will not splash all over the kitchen. Turn on the machine to low speed. continue mixing until everything is well blended, creamy and smooth. Gonna turn it off. I'm just going to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl just to make sure everything is well incorporated. Okay. Mix it again. My cheesecake mixture is already creamy. I'm going to set it aside. It's time to assemble our mango cheesecake trifle. We're going to start with the graham crust. Try to press it. Place this in the freezer for 10 minutes to set. Now we're going to pour the cheesecake mixture. Place this in the freezer for 20 minutes to set. I'm going to drizzle the mango puree on the top of cheesecake. Arrange the mango slices. Second layer of graham crust. Okay, press it firmly. Set this in the freezer for 10 minutes. Second layer of cheesecake. Just try to make it even. Chill this in the freezer again for another 20 minutes. I'm going to drizzle again the mango puree. Slices of mango. Chill this in the fridge again for another 5 minutes. I'm going to make some creme chantilly. I have whipping cream here. Whisk the cream to soft peak. Turn on the mixer to medium speed. Okay, this is soft peak consistency. By the way, I'm using non-dairy whipping cream. I like using non-dairy whipping cream in my trifles because it has a firmer texture and it doesn't melt easily. I'm going to add powdered sugar. Mix it first before turning on the machine. And continue to whisk until firm. Just gonna check the consistency of my whipping cream. It's already firm. Put the creme chantilly on top of the mangoes. Drizzle some mango puree. And some slices of mango on top. Chill this in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Here's our no-bake mango cheesecake trifle. Enjoy it with your family and loved ones.